Okay, so see how many times I have to make sure that the file is right. So this is the correct one. I already uploaded it. I added to Canvas. And then the first thing you would do is, I like dragging it in the middle, just personal preference. Ungroup it right here. Just click on it. And then go ahead and delete any of these words. Just touch it and then hit delete. And then you're going to have to go one by one so that these score lines are all switched to scores. I like deleting this because I will duplicate this one. So you don't have to, but that's just what I do. So I'm going to zoom in because I want this score right here. Switch it to score up here. And then I don't want this to be attached, but you have to attach everything. This is going to be a cut, so that makes the doors open. So go ahead and highlight like this and then hit attach. And you'll see that it's there. So to undo, just go back and then highlight the whole thing. And by the whole thing, I mean the truck. So then copy and paste. And then you flip it the other way around and you have the same thing. The wheels are under here. So the wheels, you don't need to do any scoring, but these you do. Just click on it and then it'll show you right here. So to highlight all of them at the same time, you click one and then you hit shift and see how it highlights both. That way you're not going one by one, and then you hit score and then highlight, make sure they both get grabbed and attach. Move that to the side. Same goes to this one. You're gonna click the first one, shift click, come over here, hit score, then highlight all of it, attach. That's good to go. You're gonna do the same thing here. Click first, shift click, score, attach the whole thing. Same goes for this one. Click shift, score. And then if it didn't highlight, you'll see here, shift click, and then attach. And then move that aside. You don't need to do anything here nor here. These are going to be the clear part, the acetate. So once all that is done, this part is optional. It goes on the bottom of the truck. If you want to add it, just make sure it's the same color this, if you're going to be matching your truck all to one color. So just click on it and it's going to be up here. If not, just click on this. Oops. If not, to get that color, you would have to go like click on one that it's empty, and then it'll show the color up here. So when you go to this, your color will be right here. So it's all the same color. Now, for you to resize this, this is not any particular size. So what I like doing is I highlight the whole thing. I then hit center. And as of right now, I want it to be as big as the sheet I have in hand, which is 12 by 12. So in order to do that, the biggest it can cut on a 12 by 12 would be 11.5. So then hit enter and then everything will be resized. And when you hit make it, it's all going to be lined up for you right here. So if you're using a 12 by 12, you'll be using 3 sheets. And that's all. Thank you for watching. And I will be posting the video on how to build it shortly after. Thank you.